Hello friends, welcome back to Python on Phone programming series. In this video, we are going to write a Python program to print first 10 natural numbers using a while loop. So first thing first, what are the natural numbers? So natural numbers start with 0, 1, 2, 3, so on so forth, and we need the first 10 natural numbers. Okay, so we need to print these values using a while loop. That means we need to use a while loop which runs 10 times. Okay, so that's why what I will do is I will take a counter variable called, counter variable, and I will assign a value, initial value as 0 here. And now I will write a while loop and I will check if the counter is less than 10 or not. If it is less than 10, I will print the counter itself. And after this, I will increment the counter by 1, which means counter is equal to counter plus 1. Now save the program. So for saving, click the floppy disk and choose the folder wherever you want to save, and here give the name natural numbers.py. Okay, now let's run this program. See here, we got the first 10 natural numbers 0 to 9 because we need only up to 10 numbers as asked in this question over here. Okay, so in case if you want to print the first n natural numbers, okay, so in that case what we can do is instead of giving 10 value directly here, we can take the input from the user. Okay, so something like this, I will take input, enter your number. Okay, sorry, it has come double quote, so I will keep a single quote there, and that's all. And we need to wrap this entire input in the int because we need to convert that into integer, right? So we need to wrap that input statement inside the int. So now instead of 10, let's take n here. Okay, now save the program and run it. So now it is asking for the number. So up to which number we want to print the natural numbers. So let's take 5. Now enter. See here. So we got the first 5 natural numbers here. Okay, if you want to print a proper message like natural numbers, something like that, let's add another print statement here, something like this, and natural numbers. Okay, so close this one. And one more thing is, if you don't like this format, counter is equal to counter plus 1, if you feel that is a too lengthy, we can simply make count plus is equal to 1. So it is same as the previous statement. It will increment the value by 1. So let's save the program and finally run it again once again. So this time I will take 20 as an input, and then let's see here. So natural numbers, we got the first 20 natural numbers. That's all guys about this program, and I will meet you in the next video with another interesting problem. So till then, take care, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.